Hi, this is John from johnmichaelmarketing.com, and before I reveal to you a super simple way how you can make some extra money online with just a laptop or a computer or even a mobile phone, and it works from almost anywhere in the world, doesn't require any prior experience whatsoever, I quickly invite you to click on the link in the description box right here below this video so you can get instant access to my #1 recommendation to making money online. And if you're excited to see what's coming up, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, selecting the bell icon so you can get notified every single time we launch a new video on different ways that you can make money online and earn from home. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Now today I'm actually going to reveal to you two methods. So we're going to start with the first method, but make sure to stick around to the second method because I'm going to show you some results that are going to blow your mind. So the first website we're going to be talking about is a website called Humantic. I'm going to have the link in the description below. Now, what is this? So it says here, review calls, get paid. Listen to a recorded phone call, answer a simple question with a click of a button and earn real money with Humantic. Sign up for free. So what is Humantic? Okay, so many times you call different companies, different offices, banks or whatever, and you hear a recorded message that says, this call is being recorded. Well, that's exactly what Humantic is. They record phone calls for businesses so they can evaluate them and see if the staff, the employees are doing their job properly. So essentially what you are doing is listening to these calls and just clicking one button to say, yes, to answer one simple question. That's it. Okay. And you can do that from your laptop, from your phone, from wherever. It doesn't matter. iPad, it doesn't really matter. So it says, why work for us? Freedom. Another really important part here. So create your own schedule and make as little or as much as you choose. When you start working with us, we consider you as a human and give you easy categories that allow you to earn. As you begin to invest, you have the ability to become a superhuman, our most prized title and position. Now, with this website, okay, it's really, really simple. Anybody can join. Okay, all you need is a verified PayPal account, and I'm going to show you how you can verify that even if you don't have a credit card. So all you need is that. Okay, and obviously you need to be able to understand English. Okay, you need to have a certain level of English, and there's going to be a little test that you're going to do just so they can see your knowledge of English. And that's it. Okay, you can apply. So it says here, Humantic is free and simple. We will never charge you to work. We will pay you weekly. Okay, and they pay directly to your PayPal account. You don't have to make or receive phone calls. You don't have to have a live conversation. You don't need to be a third party during a live conversation, and you don't have to transcribe a full conversation for every call you listen to. Most importantly, we have over 50,000 freelancers around the world just like you. Okay, so again, like I said, it works from your computer, your tablet, or your phone. You can apply for free and start earning now. All you need to do is you click here where it says sign up, and you will see this page right here where you can log in with your PayPal account once it has been verified. And then you just complete the short application, and once you get approved, you can start making money with this website. Now, you're not going to make a lot of money following this. Okay, I show this because there are many, many people here that are going to find this very, very useful, and they've got plenty of time, and they just want to make some extra pocket money. Okay, being clear, okay, you're not going to make, don't think you're going to become rich out of this. No, you're not. Okay, you're going to make a few extra bucks here and there. Okay, so if you want to verify your account, there is a FAQ right down here. Check out our FAQ, and there is a link here that they show you how you can verify an account even if you don't have a card. Okay, you know, like a MasterCard or a Visa card or whatever, credit card. I'm going to have a link for this in the description. Now, if you would like to make some more money online, I do personally use a program that I highly do recommend, and I'm going to show it to you right now. So this is the interface of the program that I currently use, and I'm just going to refresh this page. So you can see here the commissions coming. You can see the time. Last one was 11:055. Let me just refresh this. Okay, so you see here it's live. Okay, you see some more commissions that came in. You can see here $2, $4, $2, $4. Some more commissions here, $30, $30. Let me just zoom in if you cannot see that. So you can see all these commissions coming in, $30, $30, $4, $2. They're coming in all the time, non-stop. I'm just gonna go to the next page. Okay, so you can see here the next page and the next page, and they're coming all the time. All right, all the time. Now, you're probably wondering what exactly is this. Now, if you click on the link below, if you're on time and you're not late, you're gonna see a video. You're gonna sign up and you're gonna see a video where I explain to you exactly what this is. Okay, exactly how this is, how it works, how on earth am I earning these commissions all the time, day in, day out, even if I'm in front of my computer or not. And I will even show you proof of my payments with this program. So if I go even now to commissions and I go to payouts to me, you can see here that on August I got, let me just zoom in here. On August I got $6,530, which is my first half month. Let's see when I got started. The next month in September I got $12,764. In October I got $10,186. November $10,016. In December $11,657. And this was a half month. It was $4,911. I'm not showing this to brag. I'm just showing you, so you know that this thing works. And I even show you PayPal proof on the next video. So essentially, you are earning commissions here, just to briefly explain to you, by referring people to this business, and you are getting paid when somebody opens a free account. Okay, totally free account, and you can earn this commission. If you're wondering why, well, you're essentially driving leads. You're sending people to an online business. Okay, and this business will make a profit later on from these people. So the business knows how much money they're going to make on average from these people. So that's why they're happy to pay you $2 to $4. Now, it depends from which country you are referring people. As you can see, some countries like the United States is $4, some other countries is $2. A very few countries, there is no commission, but you can still join from those countries and earn from this program. I'm not going to go into further details about this. You can click on the link below. You can find all the information about this. But essentially, just remember that you are not, you don't need to convince anybody. You don't need to sell anything to anybody. All I do here is I just send traffic to a link. Okay, this link right up here. I send visitors to this link. People sign up. I earn a commission. And I've got a system where this happens 24/7. Okay, so if you would like to see also and find out more about that, check out the link below if it's still available. Again, I don't know when you're watching this video. Also, all the links there for Humanaddict are there. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button for me and subscribe to my channel, selecting the bell icon so you can get notified every single time we launch a new video on different ways that you can make money online and earn from home. And don't forget to click on that link right here below this video to get instant access to my #1 recommendation to making money online. Thanks for watching. See you on the next.